Welcome to my channel ASP NET SQL Academy. In this tutorial, we will dive into advanced features in Crystal reports, including adding charts, applying conditional formatting, and exploring reports. This video builds on our previous tutorials. Today, we will add visual charts, dynamic formatting, and show you how to export reports for sharing and archiving. Before we add a chart, make sure your data is suitable. Typically, you need a numeric field for totals and a category to group by, like a department. To insert a chart, go to Insert Chart and drop it into the report, header or footer. Crystal Reports offers bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, and more. Configure your chart by choosing a category for on change of, for example, department, and a numeric field like salary to summarize. Customize colors and labels as needed. Preview your report to see the chart in action. Resize or reposition it for better layout and clarity. Now, let us apply conditional formatting. Right-click any field, choose Format field, and use formulas to highlight values. For instance, show high salaries in red. This formula changes the font color based on the salary amount, red for anything over 1 lakh and black for others. To export the report, go to File, Export, Export Report. Choose your format. PDF or Excel are most common, and follow the prompts. When exporting to Excel, use the Data Only option to avoid layout issues. For PDFs, use the standard format to preserve design. You can email reports by exporting them to a folder and sending manually or automatic it via a .NET app or scheduler tool. Your final report now includes meaningful visuals, smart formatting, and can be shared easily as a PDF or spreadsheet. To recap, we added a chart, highlighted important data with formatting, and learned how to export reports for external use. In our next video, we will look at sub-reports, linking multiple reports, and integrating Crystal reports into your .NET applications. If this tutorial helped you, get it a like and subscribe. Thank you.